Okay, so I have a recipe that uses things from our pantry. I think a lot of us are cooking from our pantry right now with things going on. So this is very easy. This is a very easy dessert using pantry items. So I have two 15-ounce cans of peaches. You just pour them right on the bottom. We're making a peach dump cake. Super, super easy. You probably have some canned fruit in your pantry. And then we take, this is a vanilla cake mix, and you just take it and sprinkle it right on top of your peaches, just dry. You don't have to do anything else. Just sprinkle it right on. This is also called a dump cake because you just literally dump everything into the pan. So you kind of evenly dump out all the cake mix, maybe even it out a little bit over the peaches. And then the last thing you do is take one stick of melted butter and then just drizzle that. I just melted it in the microwave. Drizzle that over the top, back and forth. Trying to get it all over. And that is it. Super, super easy. So now we're just going to stick it in the oven at 350. And my camera person is trying to tell me something. What, Mia?
How long did you put it inside the microwave for?
Oh, how long did I melt the butter? Well, microwaves are different, but my butter melted. I did about 30 seconds and I stirred it, and I did another 10-15 seconds and it was all melted for me. So, good question. So now we're going to stick it in the oven at 350, and I think about 30 minutes or so until it's kind of brown on top and everything's cooked through. And that's a super easy dessert from your pantry.
Okay.
Okay, so our peach dump cake baked for, actually it's 40 to 45 minutes till it's kind of nice and brown on top. So I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hot, but whoops, and it's still kind of warm. But I'm going to show you how it turned out. You scoop some up. You got the kind of like a cobbler, kind of like the crunchy cake stuff on top. And the peaches. This is great with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's really good. So there you go, peach dump cake.